Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be the first Boxy Charm / Ipsy subscription merge box for this month. I got mixed emotions, you guys. So if you guys are interested in my thoughts, opinions on this month's box, then please keep on watching. I got a whole lot to say. I got a whole lot to say in that. Oh, you guys. Okay, so my phone's going off. Let me just put this on silent because... Okay, so where should I begin? I'm just going to say, before I got this box, before they made the announcement on how everything is going to be switched over, there was a lot of miscommunication. So I had to find out what was going on. So I went on Instagram. I contacted BoxyCharm via Instagram and asked them a couple questions because I had multiple subscriptions with BoxyCharm, and they said that we were only going to get one box or one subscription, right, through Ipsy. So I'm like, whoa, I prepaid for two things. What's going to go on? They were very, how should I put this, misinformed. They gave me the wrong information. They told me I would have to pay additional because of my add-on or, you know, beauty boost. I would have to pay extra a month for that, which technically I had already prepaid. So my alarm and red flags were extremely high, and I was not happy. I was not happy at all because not only were they being elusive to my questions, they were misinformed to boot. So I said, you know what? I'm disgusted. Let me find out from Ipsy. Maybe they're wrong, right? Maybe, I'm thinking to myself. So I email Ipsy. It takes a couple emails to get a straight answer. They're giving me the same answers kind of that BoxyCharm had given me. Ones that I could find already on their website or via app. Finally, like a couple days before the big announcement, finally someone gave me the answers I was looking for. So I'm gonna just lay this out for you guys. If you had, which you probably know by now, but I'm just gonna say it anyway. If you had more than one subscription with BoxyCharm, everything had been condensed over to Ipsy with one subscription. So if you had prepaid like me for two subscriptions, they kind of divided it in a weird way where you have your base box, right? And then, so that's like for your year or whatever, how many months you have left. Then your beauty boost, okay, is going to be kind of divided up. So you won't pay for the year, but then you'll have like maybe a couple months trickling over. So I was supposed to renew for both of my subscriptions on January of next year. So instead of it being January 2024, I'm going to be now renewed for my base box only unless I choose to renew my beauty boost in October of 2024. So, I mean, not what I wanted because I wanted two boxes to unbox per month. I'm now with one. So I'm not thrilled about that at all. I feel the way that they had done that was a little silly, especially because for those who had prepaid, we prepaid for a reason. We wanted two different boxes for a reason. So I kind of feel gypped, even though the value might be spread out for a longer period of time. That's not what I wanted. I wanted two boxes in a month for 1 year. Okay. So I'm a little frustrated with their communication, with the knowledge, the length of time that it took for them to get back to me. I still have all my emails, and I was going to post them up because I was like, I'm going to, and I was going to make a whole separate video, but you know what? I decided not to do that because I was just like, you know what? I'm not going to waste my time and energy on something that might not continue that way. You know what I'm saying? I still have hopes because, you know, I had Ipsy a few years ago, and when they first did the ultimate glam box or whatever it was, I tried it and it was a flop, and I discontinued, and I had never been with Ipsy since. Right, let's get into the box. So they don't have a little card anymore. They have everything via app. So obviously I already knew kind of ahead of time what I was going to get in this month's box. And then I had gone on the add-ons, and I had gotten some add-ons and stuff. So let's get into the frustrations of today, shall we? Of the recent. I'm not impressed. So here's the box, right? I was a little taken back because I expected a Boxy Charm logo of some sort, which whatever, you know, that's not even the issue. You know what I'm saying? So I go to open the box because I'm like, well, it's kind of big. Maybe it's all my add-ons. Let me see if my add-ons are in there, because I didn't want to do a video with my add-ons, right? Oh no. No, I'm going to show you. Here's the box. Okay. This is how it came. You hear all that noise, right? It's loose. It's wiggly jiggly. Look, what is that? What the hell is that? What? Like, just this stuff. Okay. I can see this on top of, like, protection. Like, what? There's nothing securing my items so that if someone via shipment is an idiot, okay, my items don't get damaged. And then you guys don't lose out on money because I'm saying, hey, what the hell? What's going on? It's the stupidity of little things that really agitate me. What could it have cost? What time could it have taken to make sure, hey, since we don't, hypothetically, I don't know, since maybe we don't have little boxes and we're using a big box, let's put a cardboard insert so there's less wiggly jiggly. Let's put some bubble wrap. Let's put a foam like how BoxyCharm typically does. Put foam, or did put foam. Rest in peace, BoxyCharm at this point is how I feel. Rest in peace. I'm not impressed because I have had issues with add-ons before where things have exploded, cracked, and it's super frustrating. So to see that there's not even one little thing in here, not one to protect my items, yes, I'm agitated. Yes, I'm frustrated. Yeah, so there's that. I'm hoping next month will be better. I'm in this till October 2024. And if this is how it's going to continue and be, I'm not going to, no. Oh no. Nope, I will give my money elsewhere. But, okay. Enough of the ranting, enough of the raving. Let's get into the items. I saw this in the box. Kind of cool, kind of not. Only because it's like, well, we have the app now. So we can get all this information via app. I guess they wanted people to have a physical copy for whatever reason. I don't know. I feel like it's a waste of paper, honestly. I could see the thought and the intention there. But let's start with securing the items first. I'm just saying. So on here, they have whatever little things they want you to know. When your picks are going to be the drop shop, the sales, when you got to do your box, and all that, and talk about the subscription. Okay. Then we have this. So I'm just going to move that to the side. Now, I did have add-ons, and what I got... I'm sorry, I keep on having to unlock my phone. It's super frustrating why it's not picking up my face. Okay. I'm going to start with the add-ons really quick. So I had just gotten one add-on in this subscription with my bag. I had gotten 2 different things. But I had gotten the Natasha Denona Alloy Eyeshadow Palette. I'm not seeing a price on here as of right now. So I'm just going to click on this item and see if it gives me a price. This retails, here we go, for $48. I think I spent half. Honestly, I think I spent like 20 something dollars on that. Pretty palette. I'm not going to open it because I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I was thinking, you know, do I want this palette? Do I want to put it in a giveaway type of thing? So that's what that is about. By the way, this is not going to be a try on video. This is just an unboxing. So going back, I don't like the way this app is set up. There's no back button. So as for the items that actually are in the box, the first one that I got was a Dr. Brandt Mineral Mask scrub. I don't know. It just says mineral mask. Helps unclog pores, reduces shine, and exfoliates. Supposed to use 2 to 3 times per week. Leave on for about 5 to 10 minutes or until dry. Okay, so this is a like drying mask. This retails for $44. This is 30 grams. It's good for congested pores and uneven texture, which is great because I actually have some issues going on with my skin right now. A lot of it's stress related. But you know, so this will be great. Okay, then we have, I hate that I can't, this app, there's no back button. It's so silly why you can't. But you know, just hit the back button, go back to the previous page. I have to go out, go back into the menu, click my box, and then load up the items. So I don't like that already, but whatever. So then the next item is the Milk Makeup Rise, Lifting, and Lengthening Mascara in Elevate. I'm assuming that's the color. This seems super long for a mascara. The color looks like black to me. This retails for $28. Wow. That's, I mean, maybe it's not too bad, but I don't typically purchase mascaras. I typically get them in my beauty subscriptions. So to see a price point of $28 on something that I don't typically ever have to buy, you know, outright, it's like, whoa. Okay, so back to the membership. It's so frustrating. Okay, then the next item was a Fenty Beauty. Where is it? Snap Shadows Mix and Match eyeshadow palette in rose. I love pinky tones. I love rose gold tones. So when I seen this, I was like, yay. This was a choice item. I actually picked this, which I'm super happy with, because this is something I would so keep. I love the packaging on Fenty. They have the colors on the back. I'm sorry if you guys can hear my phone. My cameras are going off. I can't open this. Okay, so I'm so glad that I didn't have to pay full price for this. Look at those shades. They're super cute, but it's a mini palette. I don't typically go for mini palettes, but the shades called my name and I said, yes, I'm going to get it. Okay, then for the next item, if my phone would unlock, would be lovely, was a contour stick. This was the LYS Beauty. The only shade option that I had was actually something that's really dark for me, and that is the tan. Their shade color is Courage. So once I realized that it was way too dark, I went in my beauty profile, I fixed it. I don't know what happened there. And then I went to add on the other two shades. I think I got the light and then medium as well. But this I could always give to, oh, it's ruined. Look at that. No, that's a shame. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's still good, but I don't know why that is like that. But yeah, that's super dark. Way too dark for me to use. So my mom is really tan. I have a sister who is tan. Oh, it's like, you can't make it go back down. Let me try pressing it. Oh, okay, I pressed it back in. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's super weird. It was like it was kind of touched. But yeah, so the shade here. Ooh, that is dark. Yeah, that's way too dark for me. Ooh, yeah, no, that's way too dark. But I like it's very creamy. I don't typically use cream contours. I actually never have. So that'll have to be a video for another day. You know, my first time trying cream contour. That'll be a little fun. And probably a disaster, but that's okay. But anyway, that aside, I know this retails for about 20 bucks. Let me just pull it up in the app. Okay, so the LYS contour stick is, yeah, $20. And I know you can get that on Sephora. The last item for the base box version, because again, I have the Beauty Boost, is the Skin Proud Smooth Talk 2% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This was another choice item. I'm all about skincare products because I'm getting older and, well, frankly, I have crappy skin. I've always had crappy skin. At least in my opinion, I've had crappy skin. It's super frustrating because I'm gonna be 35 and I still have acne and it's all hormonal and it's super frustrating because I can't stand it. But yeah, so this is a hyaluronic serum. This item here retails for $13.95. Oh, really? It's supposed to be very hydrating, hyaluronic acid, obviously. You're supposed to use it after cleansing and toning. Ah, interesting. Skin Proud. I've never used this brand, so that's, you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see if I like it. Now, because I have Beauty Boost, I had gotten a Boost item, and that item I'm actually quite excited that I got this item because when I had seen this item originally come out, I'm sorry you guys, I keep looking down because I'm trying to get back to the main menu to get to my items. I was super excited. So the Beauty Boost, it says on here, the value of this item is $49 alone. And this is the J.Lo Beauty That Fresh Take Eye Cream. I've been eyeing her products the minute she dropped them. And let me tell you, I love the packaging. I think it's super slick. I love it. I love it. And I'm always on the lookout for eye creams. I like that it's sealed with this in here. I kind of don't want to break that seal only because I don't want it to go bad. But for the Mega Drop Shop, I did get, I think, a cleanser for her. And I just can't wait to, like, because, you know, these items are expensive. Get all the other products because I love J.Lo. She's a Bronx girl. I'm from the Bronx, you know. So, she's my soul sister. If you have this item as a beauty boost or whatever, it shows here on the app, shop at J.Lo Beauty. They have a promo code JLo Spring 20 to receive a 20% discount on their order on their website, which is cool. And this is full size 0.5 ounces. So now we have all the items. We got the unboxing. Let's talk about the box itself. I'm not thrilled with the packaging. I'm not even going to think about the whole email and communication fiasco. So overall rating on the box, I mean, the items were good. I'm not going to lie. The items were there. So I have to give this a, if I could, a 4.5 stars out of 5. Just because of the packaging. Like, when you're putting your items, if you're going to ship something out, you know, guys, you put bubble wrap in there or something. Like, there was nothing in there. Or you have, like, a box that's more compact or something. Hopefully next month, the package itself will be more secured and it will be better on that aspect. I'm hoping the items stay great quality. I mean, I love Fenty. I love Natasha Denona. I mean, these are big brands over here. We got J.Lo. So the items and the quality of the items, they're there. I'm just hoping communication, if the need arises, is improved. And, you know, put some bubble wrap in their boxes or something. I mean, I don't know. With that being said, that wraps up today's video, you guys. I'm sorry for rambling on. I'm really hoping that this video isn't going to be super long. If you guys made it this far in the video, do not forget, I do have a giveaway going on. So please get on that train, get on that bandwagon before the giveaway closes. I'll leave a link up at the top. And make sure to like, because it helps me a lot. It helps the algorithm push my videos out there. So if you like me and my content, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And also sting my subscribe button if you have not. Come join my little beehive here with me. That way you can join in the giveaway as well. And help me pollinate my videos anywhere that you could think of. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, your mom, your neighbor, your best friend, your aunt, your uncle. And I hope to catch you in my next one.